So in this video, I simply want to show you how to turn on and off the flashlight of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Plus. There's different ways. I'll show you two of them. So the first one is to simply drag down from any screen where you are on your iPhone, drag down like this. And then you're going to see the flashlight right over there. This is the flashlight icon. Tap on it once and this is it. The flashlight will be turned on. And by the way, when you do this, let me redo it. And you see this icon, you can choose the intensity by, you see, dragging your finger up and down on your screen. So if you don't want the flashlight to blind everybody around, you can put it to the minimum here. And if you want more intensity, go ahead, put it all the way, and this will be the maximum intensity this flashlight is capable of. You can always click on the top if you want to change that settings. Every time you want to turn off your flashlight, you just need to go back there and tap this flashlight icon, and this is it. Now, one thing that I like about the iPhone 16, it has this customizable button right over here, and this button can be your flashlight button. You just need to configure this, and it takes about 30 seconds. So let me show you. So first step to do this, go into the settings of your iPhone, go down, select action button, then swipe left or right, depending where you are, until you see flashlight. So when flashlight is selected, press the settings button here just to go back. And now every time I press this button, this action button here, the flashlight will turn on. But you need to keep press at least half of a second. If you just do a quick tap like this, nothing will happen. You need to keep press at least half of a second. This is great because if your phone is in your pocket, you don't want every time you bump your flashlight to turn on. You absolutely need to keep it at least half of a second to work. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.